Yeah, buddies, and welcome to our video for today. So it's been more than a week already since Edo Nagato's Rikit came, and also that we have proven that he is not anymore a 100% Instacash Shinobi. And even though despite that, I still retained him inside my final room because at some point he is a good defender inside. And after watching for these passing days events clips, I just really noticed that 80% of the all attacks, I can say he is instacasting his three-headed dog while 20% is not. So in on a daily basis, for example, if 10 of my attackers manage to reach the final room, 2 of that Nagato did not instacast. And at some point, I became contented already with that. Even uh, even though I have Tsunade, because my Tsunade is crippled as I have mentioned, because I don't have her LB. That is why she lack damage inside, she lack survivability, and she lack the more purpose inside, unlike with Edo Nagato. No, so I just let it, and after also testing Nagato plus Tsunade inside, it didn't work for me. Maybe because it's really, my Tsunade is really weak because she lacks damage and she lacks strip because I failed to get her LB. So as of the moment, this is the final room that I am using, and Nagato gave me a good amount of wins, though not perfect. So here are my defense log. So I haven't played NXB in these passing days because I'm busy in school. Also yesterday we just got a educational tour. That is why my contents today are a bit late because of that. So as you can see here, these are the result for the passing. I think this is half of this is from current day or as of the moment of my recording. And here are the defense clips with featuring Nagato in my final room in these passing days. 甘いな。甘いな。力を変えるぜ、クラマ。してやる。力を変えるぜ、クラマ。
竹三日月仕掛ける飛べ守り抜くぶっ潰してやっからよじっとしてろ甘いよじっとしてろ甘いよぶっ潰してやっからよ飛べ手遅れだぜ終わりだ終わりだ手遅れだぜ俺が倒す終わりだなめんじゃねえ俺が倒す終わりだ仕掛ける終わりだ問題はない仕掛ける竹三日月問題はない終わりだ仕掛ける竹三日月問題はない離すんじゃねえぞはいノース手裏剣ノース手裏剣ノース手裏剣離すんじゃねえぞはいノース手裏剣ノース手裏剣どうなってばよみんな行くってばよこれでどうなってばよこれでどうなってばよ第7話行くってばよこれでどうなってばよ